You've had a long day. You dream of a bath that doesn't just soak your body, but rejuvenates your soul. Forget everything you know about Whirlpool Tubs. The gentle bubbles of yesterday are gone. The future of hydrotherapy has arrived. We're talking about tubs that remember your perfect water temperature, jets that use AI to target your specific muscle groups, and lighting that syncs with your heartbeat. This isn't a bath. It's a personalized wellness retreat, and it's launching straight into your home. Get ready to see the soaks that will redefine relaxation. Number 1. Carver Tubs SKC5555. The best corner jacuzzi bathtub is the Carver Tubs SKC5555. It is designed to feel luxurious and spa-like, and as an added bonus, can fit 2 people. There are 12 water jets and a sloped side for nice lumbar support. You can rest easy after a hard day's work, either by yourself or with someone else. The jets are positioned for the best ergonomic benefits. They can also be adjusted if you have a particularly troublesome muscle ache. If you're someone who likes to maintain a hot water temperature in their bath, then this is the tub for you. It has an inline water heater so that water will stay at the temperature you desire. The drain system is also an impressive design as it is built so that no water will remain. This eliminates the chance of mold or bacteria to form, which is not only healthy but less dirty as well. Number 2. WOODBRIDGE B0030 Bathtub. The WOODBRIDGE B0030 is a freestanding bathtub that combines both the Whirlpool and air bubble jets in one tub. It features 6 jets that massage your body and 10 jets that create a swirl of bubbles to spruce up your bathing experience. The perfect combination of water and air creates an intense but relaxing hydromassage. Also, the air bubbles help to offer soft tissue massage, allowing your muscles to relax and relieve your body from any type of pain. This bathtub comes with stainless steel jets that drain off the water completely after taking a bath. These jets are easy to clean, allowing you to maintain the cleanliness of your bathtub. Additionally, this tub has an underwater chemotherapy light that lights up the tub immediately after turning on the jets, making your bathtub lively and attractive. Finally, the WOODBRIDGE B0030 bathtub comes with a wide and deep design, offering enough space to enjoy your bath. Number 3. Jacuzzi J4S6042WLR1XXW. Sometimes what we want and what we can afford don't always come together. Thankfully, if you want a Whirlpool soaking tub but don't have a giant budget, there is still the Jacuzzi J4S6042WLR1XXW. It may not have a full slate of bells and whistles, but there is still enough to be worth the purchase. There are 6 jets strategically positioned to make the most of them. There are also air controls. If you're worried about slipping, don't fret as the bottom has a slip-resistant coating. This is perfect if you have a toddler who loves bath time or an elderly parent wanting a good soak. For those wanting to combine their space for both tub and shower, the 3-inch deck of the Jacuzzi J4S6042WLR1XXW is wide enough to support a shower rail. Number 4. Freestanding Hydrotherapy Bathtub. There is a certain elegance with freestanding tubs, and the freestanding hydrotherapy bathtub is no exception. Built to look good anywhere in your bathroom, this tub has style, grace, and comfort. There are full body and side jets designed to gently massage all of your muscles. Some users report that the jets were actually quite strong, but there are multiple settings so there will be something for everyone. Beyond the looks of the hydrotherapy tub is a very solid foundation. Starting with a reinforced stainless steel frame and 3 layers of glass fiber, the outer layer is a compound material of acrylic and ABS. This freestanding Whirlpool tub is meant to last a lifetime. And that is how you turn your bathroom into the most coveted room in the house. If you're ready to invest in the ultimate personal wellness experience, I've compiled all the links for early access and pre-orders in the video description below. If your stress just melted away watching this, do me a favor and smash that like button. Tell me in the comments which feature you'd use first, the chromotherapy lighting or the deep tissue massage jets.